I got the IC system because it's overall just a lot more efficient running system.
There's a technology out there where I don't have to have satellites. I figured out that the IC system was more advanced and more proven.
With my previous system, you didn't realize you had a problem until it's too late.
You can do real-time changes.
We're able to send a signal and within seconds can get a full relay back our 1200 heads.
It's easy to use, it's easy to teach people to use, but you can also be extremely meticulous.
We're thinking ahead. We put the 2-wire in. It just makes it nice when you can upgrade.
And it gave me the ability to water the way I wanted to water.
Very user-friendly.
Having that communication is
It's
instant.
smarter without water.
I love the system.
We have instant feedback.
It's constantly working.
I haven't missed the satellites at all.